How to hard reset Tecno Phantom V Flip 2. Step 1. Begin by shutting down your mobile. Step 2. Simultaneously, hold down the power and volume up buttons. Step 3. When the No Command, Robot logo appears, let go of the power button and press the volume up button once.